The importance of fieldwork is to be able to have sort of that practical application of what you learn in the labs and in the lectures.
We're in Sully Shores on our South Wales coastline, and we're doing some intertidal work.
In textbooks, oftentimes you'll see pictures and they don't truly represent what it is in real life, so you get first-hand experience working in the field.
This stretch of the coastline is ideal for that fieldwork because it shows the different zones, the different bands of organisms that you find all the way through that intertidal zone, and the students really enjoy it.
I think the thing I enjoy the most is just being in the outdoors and kind of getting to apply it.
I enjoy being out in nature and actually putting things into practice that we've learnt in lectures, which is really important. It provides a lot of the training to do with ecology and conservation, which is the path that I'm looking to go into.
So being out here and actually getting to do it, I think is a fundamental part of what excites us as individuals about, the subject areas that we're passionate about.